The Ostrich Series XBD44 and XBD44 are panels for bidirectional conversion between Bluetooth and Dante. They can be installed on walls or desktops. Audio signals can be played to the Dante network via Bluetooth, and Dante audio signals can be sent to Bluetooth devices for recording. The XBD44 additionally offers 2 extra analog audio input and output channels beyond Bluetooth. Both the XBD44 and XBD44 require power from a PoE switch. Connect them to the PoE switch to access the Dante network. By opening the Dante controller on your computer, you can find these 2 devices displayed under transmitters and receivers with their names. The XBD44 has 2 receiving channels and 2 transmitting channels. If you check its transmitting channels to connect to the receiving channels of another Dante device, the Bluetooth audio connected to the XBD44 panel will be sent to those receiving channels. If a speaker is connected to this receiving device, the audio will be played through the speaker. Conversely, if you check the transmitting channels of another Dante device to connect to the receiving channels of the XBD44, the Bluetooth device connected to the XBD44 panel can record this sound. For example, if you connect a computer via Bluetooth to the XBD44 and open recording software, select the Bluetooth channel and click record, you will be able to capture audio signals from the Dante network. The usage of the XBD44 is entirely the same as that of the XBD44, but it has 4 receiving channels and 4 transmitting channels, with channels 1 and 2 serving as Bluetooth channels and channels 3 and 4 as analog channels. The in 3 and 4 and out 1 and 2 seen on the panel represent these, where inputs 3 and 4 has 2 subgroups, A and B, which are ultimately mixed together, providing both RCA and 3.5mm TRS interfaces. This design aims to accommodate various cables. The analog output only provides a 3.5mm TRS interface.